Hey y'all, hey. Welcome back to the Pregnancy Diaries, where I reflect on my time as a preggo. So fun fact, until the age of about 23, which I just surpassed, I placed my value in accomplishments and what I could do rather than who I am, who God created me as. So I'm going to touch on that today as many of the girlies tend to struggle with that. Whether you're a career girly or you stay at home, I want to let you know that your worth isn't who God created you as. Meaning it's already there, you don't have to fight to prove it to anyone, not even yourself. Pregnancy forced me to rest. And in that rest, I learned that I was putting my value into my output and what I could produce rather than simply put who I am. When I first realized this, it came with some shame. However, I found great humor in the fact that I was fighting so hard to prove myself, to beat someone I already was. Girl, that is crazy. But many of us struggle with that. So, in conclusion, whatever you're fighting so hard to prove with your output already lies within you and who you are. You just have to realize it. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.